Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to crack Sony Vegas Pro 16. So you're going to go to this link in the description of the video, you're going to hit download, and then you're going to come to this link, you're going to click download anyway because it does not have a virus in it, I assure you. And then I've already downloaded it, so yeah, so to do this you have to close Sony Vegas Pro. Well, you don't have to, but you'll have to close it to make the effects take place. So first of all, or second of all technically, we're going to go to the files, and we're going to open this readme file, and you're going to copy the directory or type it in, whatever you prefer. So you're going to open another file manager, and you're going to paste it in the search bar at the top, press enter. You're going to be welcome to this page, and you're going to copy this file, and you're going to replace it, and press continue, and it's going to go zoosh to 100%. And you're going to close everything. Then you can open Sony Vegas Pro 16 and it will be cracked. So it's going to take a while because it's actually my second time opening it, and that doesn't make a difference, but it always takes a while because I have a slow laptop. Yeah, it's going to open and it's cracked, bravo. So subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in the next video, hopefully, which will be any time of the year. I'm not sure. Goodbye.